Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I believe that even small locks deserve a place on my channel. After all, I see this as a bit of a blog of all the locks that I pick, and I like to share that with you because we all start somewhere and somebody just might be starting on some cheap 30mm padlocks. But this one is made at least by Stanley, who I believe are the same people that make the famous cutting tool, and I believe that they're also made by Black & Decker, and I think that they may have even had a partnership with Quickset at one point in time, but please correct me in the comments if you think I'm wrong, because I don't mind being corrected and it's good to have the correct information out there. A little 4-pin lock with not a bad bitting for a 4-pinner, you know, it goes high, medium, low cut, and then super high at the end. And yes, it's double locking but shimmerable, nothing exceptional. So let's give this a bit of a pick. A nice thin bottom of the keyway turning tool. We'll get that in. It's actually, yeah, I get that in. It's quite tight in there. And then a flat topped short hook, just in 18,000 because it's just one I grabbed. And we'll go in, see what I can find. So a little click on pin 3 there. Pin 1 here, nice click. Pin 2 now. I think that felt good. Pin 4, I almost said 5, 4 at the back, there we go. And we'll just hit 1 again and we're open. So yeah, do you know what? I have to say, whilst it is only 30mm and it's clearly not a very high security lock, it picked very smoothly. So, you know, in general, some of these locks can be a bit, yeah, in terms of quality, but this one isn't so bad. It's smooth, it gives the right feedback. It's all standard pins, but it's nothing special. But yep, not a bad little Stanley 30mm padlock. Fun at the very least. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like. If you haven't subscribed and you want to see more content like this, I do pick high security locks, I promise, then hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. All really helps my channel out, really appreciate it. If you have any comments, like I said, leave them below. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.